Florida's property insurance troubles are back in the headlines. This time it's over how private companies handled hurricane claims. Since July, 10 insurance companies have been fined a total of more than $2.5 million by the state's Office of Insurance Regulation. Officials cited widespread failures when handling claims after Hurricane Ian in 2022 and Hurricane Idalia in 2023. The latest fines hit Tampa-based Slide Insurance and Kin Insurance Network. Each took a $250,000 hit for missing claim deadlines and using unlicensed adjusters. Officials say the fines show accountability without costly lawsuits. Lawmakers curbed litigation over insurance disputes, a move that was meant to stabilize Florida's market. Consumer advocates argue the reforms have left homeowners with fewer protections when claims go wrong. So this investigation really covered prior hurricane seasons to last year's. Victor, what is your response when you see, is this enough, $250,000 enough of a fine?
These guys make billions and billions of dollars. Insurance companies are in the business of making money. And the less they pay out, the more money they make and put in their pockets. And listen, there's a lot to know about this subject. I worked for the Insurance Commissioner's office in Tallahassee for years, and my family sold insurance, so I know a lot about this, and right now it's still not fixed. The Republicans had 5 or 6 special sessions, and all they did was give the insurance companies everything they ever dreamed of. You can't, if you want to sue your company, you got to pay 100% of the lawyer's fees. I sat right here in this show a while back with April Schiff, and she's a Republican, her husband's an attorney, and they said the adjuster came in and found 1 drop of water in the window that came through and said, we're not paying the claim. It was like a $100,000 claim. So they had to sue to get their money. And the insurance companies know what's happening right now in Florida, which is a fact. They're only paying 50% of the claims. 1 out of every 2 claims is not getting paid. So they could turn you down for anything you can imagine. So the insurance business in Florida is not getting better. It's not going to get better unless we get set up a cat fund, a catastrophic fund to carry the big events.
This move is a signal to the insurance companies. Folks who support these fines say that it is a signal to the insurance companies that we are not going to give you everything you want. Would you agree?
Yes, I do agree. A couple of points. Number one is we were lucky this year we didn't have any hurricanes.
Yes,
because if we had hurricanes, it would be a completely different story. Number two, we have not resolved the insurance crisis. And number three, a lot of people, particularly with some of the more expensive homes, are self-insuring. They're not even taking insurance. They said they don't want to go through all of that. So really, we have a real crisis in the insurance, and the legislature has failed again and again to solve it.
Right. He's 100% right. We actually agree on something, see? But it's true, because we all have to pay insurance, whether it's car insurance, auto insurance, health insurance, homeowners. Homeowners is a disaster here because we are in a hurricane zone. But and I'm not taking credit because when the Democrats were around, we had a more aggressive insurance commissioner that went after. Now back then you had to get your rates pre-approved. Now you just do the rates off, and then they'll say we'll let you know if we like it or not. So they've gotten everything they've ever wanted, the insurance companies, and they still are not happy. So these are the greediest people on earth. They got more money than the banks.
Well, one of the things that we've heard from viewers is that they're concerned that so many folks were moved off of Citizens to other insurance companies.
And paying higher rates.
And some of the names on the list of these fines are those insurance companies that they've been moved into.
Absolutely, and I mean that's what's it's
just
a very messed up system.
Right, and
they're making lots of money, and we're all sitting there going.
And so what happens when they go belly up?
They pull out of the state.
They pull out,
and we're
stuck. The states get hold. They go into a JUA system, and then good luck trying to collect the claims.
You both are agreeing on this too.
Absolutely,
no, it's true. Because all of us are suffering. Everyone out there listening to us is suffering. They know this is a mess. It doesn't take much to know that the insurance situation is a mess in Florida.
Well, gentlemen, thank you for coming on board and helping us sort through this. As we told you about earlier, how the government shutdown is impacting local families, government agencies throughout West Central Florida. If you or someone you know needs help, it's just a phone call away. Call your local 211 to get connected with experts who can assist you in getting information and getting your needs met. Every call is confidential. Local 211 is a network of local organizations that can connect you with resources for everything from food, caregiving, disaster recovery. And so please take advantage of that.